Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will be walking through how to install, mount, and optionally wire your Arlo Video Doorbell. Let's get started. The Arlo Video Doorbell gives you two installation options. If you already have doorbell wiring, you can connect your Arlo Video Doorbell for continuous power, so you don't need to worry about charging. If you don't have existing wiring, you can still get set up quickly using the long-lasting battery for wire-free installation. For either option, in order to add the doorbell to your account, first ensure that the device is fully charged. The LED on the front of the doorbell will turn solid blue once ready. Before adding the device, make sure that on your phone you have Bluetooth enabled. When ready, open the Arlo app, and from the dashboard page, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. From here, tap on Add a Device, and then select Doorbells and Chimes. Tap on the doorbell model that has second generation written underneath. Next, using the pin that came with your doorbell, release the backing. And then again, using the pin, press and hold the sync button on the back of the doorbell. The LED on the front will flash blue when in pairing mode. Back in the app, tap on Continue, and the app will start searching for the doorbell. Once paired, you will be able to connect it to Wi-Fi. The list that appears shows only 2.4 GHz networks. If you cannot see your network, tap on Show More Networks. And if you still can't see your network, tap on Manually Enter Network Name and enter the credentials. If it does not connect, make sure that the Wi-Fi network is split from the 5 GHz network or that 5 GHz is switched off. Check with your network service provider if you are unsure which network your router is emitting. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you will be able to name your device. And finally, the doorbell will search for and install any available firmware update. Now it's time to decide if you want to power the doorbell with your existing doorbell wires to keep your battery charged or go wire-free. For the wired installation, make sure to shut off the doorbell circuit breaker. Next, remove your existing doorbell, making sure that the existing wires don't slip back into the wall. Double check that you have a strong Wi-Fi signal. This can be checked in the app. For the best results, you're going to want to mount your doorbell about 48 inches or 1.2 meters from the ground. If the angle isn't quite right, try the angled mounting plate to adjust the view in either direction. Once you have found the right spot, use the mounting plate as a guide to mark pilot holes on the wall. Now, drill your holes and securely anchor the mounting plate to the wall. If you're using a wired connection, secure a wire to each terminal screw. You can attach either wire to either screw. Finally, attach your doorbell to the mounting plate, placing the bottom in first and pressing the top. For the wired connection, you can now turn the breaker back on. If you've hooked everything up correctly, you should hear a chime once you press the Arlo doorbell. We hope this video helped with installing, mounting, and wiring your Arlo Video Doorbell. If you have any more questions, reach out to Arlo Support for more assistance. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.